So today we are going to talk about covalent bonding. So what is covalent bonding? Covalent bonding is a sharing of one or more pair of electrons between non-metals. Okay, there are two important things: sharing of pairs and between the non-metals. Okay, it allows atoms to receive full outer electron shells and making them more stable. Okay, how covalent bonds are formed? Two non-metals comes together closer together. Each atoms share one or more electron. Okay, share, not donate like ionic bonding. Shared electrons are attracted to both nucleus. Okay, and the attraction form a strong covalent bond. Remember, covalent bond involves sharing electron, not transferring them. Okay, so example of covalent molecules are hydrogen. Each hydrogen has an atom has one electron. Okay, they share one pair of electrons. Each hydrogen now has two electrons, okay, at the first shell. So I will give you one example. For example, I will draw a dot and cross diagram here. Just one second. I will just put out my pen. Okay, so hydrogen has one electron. Okay, this hydrogen has one electron. Another hydrogen has and one electron. They both have a one electron, but for stable atom we need two electrons in the first shell. Okay, so what they will do? They will just this they will just share, both of them will share one of their electrons. So now this hydrogen also have two electrons, and this hydrogen also has two electrons shared, but they have two electrons. Now they are stable. Okay, now go back to our topic. Now we have a lot of more examples. For example, chlorine. Chlorine, I will just now, because we have a lot of examples, so I will do just two three examples. Chlorine and oxygen. I will just make a outermost shell. Okay, so chlorine, for example, in the outermost shell, chlorine has how many electrons? Chlorine has in its outermost shell, it has seven electrons: one, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. And another chlorine also has one, two, three, four, five, six, and seven electrons. They both of them have seven electrons in their valence shell, but we need eight electrons to make it stable. So what we will do? Now what will happen that in covalent bond, this chlorine will go near to the next chlorine. Okay, and now this chlorine will have six electron outside the sharing like the other one, and one pair will be shared. Now this pair will be joined with this chlorine nucleus as well as with this chlorine nucleus. Okay, so at by sharing they will have eight electrons in total. Now the last example that we are going to talk about in this lecture is of oxygen. So I will just remove it. Just one second. Yes, now what about oxygen? So oxygen has how many electrons? One, two, three, four, five, and six. How many electrons did oxygen needs? Oxygen needs eight electrons to make a stable atom. So one, two, three, four, five, six, and that would be seven and eight. Now you can see these four electrons that are making covalent bond. They are attached with this nucleus as well as this nucleus. So four, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Now this is stable. This is also four, five, six, seven, eight. Sorry, I may just make two more electrons over here, so they are not present. That is this thing. Okay, that's all about it. See you in the next topic.